Welcome students. Today we'll see exercise 11.2 in that question number 1. So here draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So here what we have to do, a rough diagram I will draw here. So we have to draw a 6 cm radius of one circle. We have to draw a circle of 6 cm radius. So here this is the center of the circle. So the radius of this one will be 6 cm. So now from this point, that is from the center point 10 cm away from this one. So here point P, let it be. So here it is there. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle. So for this circle we have to construct a tangents. That is a pair of tangents. Okay. So like this. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm with center as O. So here this is a circle of radius 6 cm with center O. So now locate a point P 10 cm away from center O. Here there is a point P, so which is 10 cm here from this point to this point. So now join PO here, join this point P to O. So this is 10 cm. So after that make a perpendicular. So here make perpendicular bisector of PO here. So for this line segment we have to make a perpendicular bisector. So like this one. So here perpendicular bisector means keep a compass here at point P. So take a distance more than this half. So make an arc here, that is top and bottom. So the keeping the same distance, keep the compass at point O, cut those arcs and let the intersecting point be here, this point and this point. Okay. So and join this one. Join these points. So here this is called perpendicular bisector. This is, let M be the point which cuts the PO. So now taking M as a center, so taking M as center and MO as the radius. MO as radius. So this is the center and this to this as a radius, or this to this. This is a perpendicular bisector. So we have to draw a circle. So like this. Circle will be like this. Taking M as center, MO as radius, draw a circle. So now next, join PQ and PR. Here this point PQ, this is, let it be point R. So join this PQ and this PR. Okay. So join PQ and PR. Okay. So these are the tangents. PQ and PR are the tangents. So how to prove these are tangents? So here PQ and PR are the tangents. So how to prove it? So now here, so next join here Q to O, this one, QO and RO. Join QO and RO. So here this triangle, that is consider triangle PQO. Here in this the angle Q is equal to 90 degree, because this is the angle which is in semicircle. Here this angle will be 90 degree, because this is the angle subtended in the semicircle of a circle. So hence always this will be equal to 90 degree. So OQ is perpendicular to PQ. Okay. So hence and also we know that the property of a tangent, that is the property of tangent is, that is always perpendicular to radius. Okay, perpendicular to the radius. So hence now here in this case OQ is the radius. So hence PQ is the tangent. And in the same way the PR is also tangent. Because OR is perpendicular to PR. Okay, we'll go for next one. So exercise 11.2 in that question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from the point of concentric circle of radius 6 cm. So there are two circles which are concentric. So here one circle and within that one more circle. Okay. So both are concentric. Concentric means the center of both the circles is same. So here we have to construct a tangent to this circle of radius 4 cm. Okay. This is 4 cm. Okay. And this is 6 cm. This radius. Okay. So now measure its length. So here there is a tangent to a circle. Here this is a tangent to the circle. So this 4 cm radius circle tangent is this one. Okay. So this tangent we have to construct. This we have to construct. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. This actual calculation, that is actual length of this one also we have to measure. So first what we have to do? Construction. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. So here first steps we will write. That is steps. We have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm. Okay. So now there are two circles. Concentric circle. This is 4 cm and this one is bigger circle. So this is radius is 4 cm and this bigger circle is 6 cm. Okay. So now first one, draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm with center O. Okay, this center O. So second one, draw a circle with radius 6 cm with same center O. With same center O. Here, this one. So now third point is mark a point P. Mark a point, any point P here. This is point P. Mark a point P on larger circle. Larger circle circumference. This is construction. So after that, so now join OP. Join OP. Okay. So this line we have to join. So for this we have to find the bisector, perpendicular bisector. So like this. Okay, this is perpendicular bisector. So find, construct perpendicular bisector of OP. Okay, let this point be M. Okay, this point will be M. Keep M as center and MO or MP as radius. Okay, draw a circle. So here this is M point. So this is MO is the radius or MP is the radius. So we have to make one more circle. So here like this. This is touching, of course. This is touching. So this point and this point, they will be, let it be P and Q. And here we have to join this P and Q here. Okay. So 7. Then P and Q are intersecting of circle with inner circle. So here next join Q and R. Sorry, this one will be Q and R. Here Q and R. So join PQ and PR. They are tangent as tangents. So now we have to prove these are the tangents to this circle. Okay. So I will write a diagram again here. So here this is the whatever we have discussed here. So this is the one circle with radius O. Okay. And here this is the point P, and we have taken this, joined this PO, and this is the bisector, perpendicular bisector, that is point M. So keeping this M as a radius, keeping this M as a center and MO as the radius, we have drawn a one more circle. So this circle will touch us to this one at Q and R. So we have joined PQ and PR. Okay. So to prove PQ and QR are tangents, so join OQ and OR. Okay. So in triangle PQO and PRO, the angles, the angle Q and angle R are equal to 90 degree because the angles are in semicircle, hence they are equal to 90 degree. So OQ is perpendicular to PQ and also OR is perpendicular to PR, hence PQ and PR are the tangents. Okay, in this way you have to write. So this will give full marks to you. Okay, we'll go for next one. So 11.2 question number 3, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Okay, so here rough diagram I'll put first. So this is a circle, okay, of radius 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Okay, so we have to take 2 points on one of its extended diameter. Okay, so here this is diameter and here this is 1 point is here. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. So from this here this is 7 centimeter. So here 7 centimeter and here also from this it is 7 centimeter. This is Q. So here also this is 7 centimeter. Okay, so from this center, so this is 3 means, so this will be 4. This is also 4 centimeter here from this to this one. Okay, this is the radius. This is the radius. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. So now, so after that, here what we have to write steps? Draw circle with radius 3 centimeter. Okay. Second one, draw diameter, dia of circle and extend it. And also mark points P and Q 7 centimeter from center of circle. Okay, so after that we have to make a bisector. That is because we have to draw the tangents to this circle from these 2 points. From this point and from this point we have to draw a tangents. So to draw a tangents, what we have to do? So third step, that is PO. This is, let it be O. So make perpendicular bisector of PO and also OQ. Okay, so this one PO and OQ. So this is one perpendicular bisector and this is also perpendicular bisector. Okay, so let it be M and let it be N. So keeping M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle. So here this one will draw a circle here. Okay, so here these 2 points are cut by this circle. So now this will be point A and this will be point B. So join PA and PB. Okay, so here join PA and PB. Okay, now sixth step, again perpendicular bisector of OQ. So make perpendicular bisector of OQ. So here also what we have to write? Here this one, this is OQ. So again here seventh, keep N as center and NQ as radius. Draw a circle like this. Okay, these points will be, let it be C and D. Okay, this part. So join CQ and DQ. Okay, so eighth, join CQ and DQ. So now next, here this QC and QD are the tangents. That is CQ and QD are the tangents. Okay, CQ and DQ are tangents. So now how to prove that these are the tangents? Because to prove that these are the tangents, we have to join here. This is the center. Okay, so here I'll write this diagram. I'll write this diagram neatly. So here, so this is the diagram now. This is point Q. Okay. First, this is a circle with center O. So after that, we have taken a point P from 7 centimeter from this O and also 7 centimeter from this O here this side, P and Q. So after that, we have made perpendicular bisector of this PO, that is the point is M. Keeping M as center, so we have drawn a circle with MO as a radius. So like this. So we will get the intersecting points at point A and B. Okay. And in the same way, the OQ has been bisected and the N is the center of the circle. So keeping N as a center and NO or NB, NO or NQ as the radius, we have drawn a circle, and that will be touches that intersecting these points at C and D. Now we have joined PA and PB and QC and QD. So these are the tangents. So now to prove this, that is to prove PA and PB, also QC and QD, these are tangents. What we have to do? We have to join AO, BO, CO and DO. Okay, this is DO. So now by observing this figure, you see here, consider triangle PAO, this one. Here this is a angle A is subtended in semicircle. So in semicircle, hence angle A is equal to 90 degree. Oh, okay. Angle A is 90 degree means, so OA is perpendicular to PA. Okay. So in the same way, OB is perpendicular to PB. Okay. So this side and here this side, OC is perpendicular to QC. And here OD is also perpendicular to QD. So draw a pair of tangents, that is 11.2 question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So here there is a one circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay. So pair of tangents we have to draw from an external point P, let it be. So this is tangent and these tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Okay. So like this we have to construct a diagram. So for that, so this is 60 degree and here this is, okay, like this. This is center. So this type of diagram you have to construct. So now first construction, given angle between tangents is equal to 60 degree. Okay. That is QPR, that is Q, this is R. So angle QPR is equal to 60 degree. This he has given. Angle at center, here this center, this is the center. We have joined QR, QC and RC. So angle subtended at C is equal to, this is what? This is complementary. That is means the complementary means this plus this is equal to 180 degree. So 180 minus 60. So this is equal to 120 degree. Okay. This is 120. So directly 60 degree we cannot construct at this point. We will construct this 120 degree here because complementary angle. Because of this complementary angle, here complementary. So here at center O, make a point Q on circumference and join OQ. Okay. After that, construct 120 degree angle with line segment as OQ. So now after constructing this is 120 degree, so we will get point Q and point R. Okay. So From these points, join PQ and PR. So these are the tangents. They are tangents. Okay, thank you.